Leo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the week of 11 to 17 of May 2020. So, yeah, guys, let's start your reading. Leos, this is for the Leo people. Definitely, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Love you so much. I'm sending you blessings, abundance, happiness, prosperity, success, love, health, wealth. Yeah, every kind of abundance. And sending you so many good vibes from me to you guys. Okay, this is for the Leo people. Very beautiful people. Okay, so let's see. So these two cards were stick together. I don't know how. And this is your overall energy with this Nine of Swords and the King of Cups. So I'm feeling that someone is worried about falling in love. Leo Hermit, Queen of Cups. You're definitely a very beautiful power couple is here with this King and Queen of Cups here. Okay, Nine of Wands, Two of Swords, Page of Wands right in the heart of your spread, Ace of Cups. Wow, Seven of Wands. Beautiful. Okay, so you are resisting someone to come towards you. High Priestess. Wow, the Sun card. This is the last card of your spread. Beautiful. Okay. Wow. So Leo, I'm feeling that this is you, Sun is your zodiac. So definitely Leo, you are very present here. Some of you are dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Pisces is here, and Hermit, Virgo is also here. So someone is thinking about falling in love, and they are very worried about falling in love. It must be you, it must be your person. Someone is continuously thinking about if they want to grow this love connection or not, because I'm feeling that this love is giving them uh, pain with this Knight of Swords, Nine of Swords, and yeah, definitely they are just thinking about it, and yeah, they cannot sleep. Okay, in your recent past we have Hermit, the Queen of Cups and the Nine of Wands. So some kind of connection was very pure in the recent past. You know what, the Hermit is searching for the star, and these are the stars. You have that in your hand. You are holding those stars which the Hermit is searching for. So I'm feeling that this is your person. Some of you are dealing with Virgo, and this is you, Nine of Wands. So you are resisting this love for a long time, and okay, but you know what, you have that precious thing in your hand which the Hermit is searching for, which your person, your past person was searching for, and they just don't know how to get that from you, because you are continuously in the resisting mode with this Seven of Wands energy also present here. And yeah, you know that by doing this you will get your happiness. Like in this, you can see this Seven of Wands, High Priestess and the Sun card. So definitely you know that by doing that resistance thing you will get your happiness by remaining silent, by remaining in that connection with the divine, because High Priestess is very spiritual, very divine person. In your current energy we have Two of Swords, Page of Wands and the Ace of Cups. So some kind of new beginnings are coming your way in love, in passion, and yeah, you just want to make a good choice for yourself. So this is the time to make that choice. Okay, so let's see, why is this King of Cups and the Nine of Swords are here for the Leo, please. Patience. This is the Temperance card of the tarot. King of Wands. Here you are dealing with another Sagittarius. I'm feeling that. Fire sign. Three of Cups. Okay, I'm feeling that universe is now making the situation better for you, Leo, because universe want you to be union to be in union with your divine person, because you can see this Patience. This is the Temperance card, the Sagittarius, and this is also Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, and this is the reunion card with the Three of Cups energy present here. So definitely you want to be with your person, and universe is making that situation stable for you, that situation happen for you. Okay, I just want to know why is the Hermit here in the recent past. Queen of Wands. Okay, wow, you can see Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Beautiful. King of Swords. My god, moon. Okay, so with this King and Queen of Wands, definitely this is a very pure soulmate connection. We have like King and Queen of Wands and King and Queen of Cups. So definitely love is there, passion is there. So what you are waiting for? Universe is there to making this union happen. Okay, so Hermit was clarified with this Queen of Wands, with the King of Swords and the Moon card. I'm feeling that now the person was very cold before, that the person was very cold before. Now they are very passionate about you because you become cold to them, towards them. Now you become cold to them and they become passionate for you, and they are now fearful that they will lose you, Leo. Yeah, because you have your guard up and you are not listening to them, you are not compromising your happiness, which is great. Because this is your right, you're very right to have that blessings and happiness in your life, and great, you have your guard up, and now they want to tell you that they have so much love for you. They are continuously thinking about you, because moon is also mind, and they are strategizing about making this situation work for both of you, because King of Sword is not any kind of person who is like dealing with that BS. So you are very clear about everything and they know it, that's why they are in fear that they will lose you forever. But you know what, you have to be a little bit warm towards them, you have to listen to them, because you have to be open for everything. Okay, so yeah, universe is also making the situation stable for both of you. So yeah, let's see why this Page of Wands is here. Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Justice, Six of Pentacles. Okay, so Leo, you are working on your pentacles, you want equal give and take in the relationship, which is coming your way. If some of you are dealing with a court matter or something like that, you know, law and enforcement, because this is also that. So definitely you will make the situation balance for you and you will get victory. Yeah, but if this is the love situation, so definitely that will go in your favor, because you want to take that love connection in a balanced, smooth way, which is great strategy. Yeah, why is this High Priestess here? Because I know Sun is your sign, so yeah, I just don't want to ruin it. So let's see, why is this High Priestess here? Sun is your happiness. Okay, High Priestess for the Leo, please. Wow, Nine of Cups, beautiful. Okay, Three of Swords, Judgment. Okay, definitely Leo, I just want to tell you that the person is manifesting you. You don't know about it, but they know. They are also unexpectedly manifesting you in their life, because they are now healing definitely from this heartbreak, because you walked away and you have your guard up right now. They are healing from that heartbreak with this Three of Swords, and they are continuously praying for you. They are continuously telling the universe that they want you only, no one else, and the universe is giving them a second chance with this Judgment present here. Ho ho ho. So okay, things will be balanced for you because you are doing great, and you will get those things which kind of energy you are giving towards the universe. Okay, so you are sending good vibes and positive energy, so that's why that is also coming your way, and your person is also manifesting you in their life. So yeah, great. They are also healing from that heartbreak. So yeah, Leo, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.